Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Taskbar Hero not opening on your Steam at all. Let's begin. First, open up Steam client. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, right? From here, click on Library. Then look for Taskbar Hero, right-click, Properties, Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will basically check for any errors or missing files. Then Steam will automatically reacquire those for you. Once done, I want you to minimize this. Go to Taskbar Hero, right click, Manage, Browse Local Files. Taskbar Hero, right click, Properties, Compatibility. Make sure this option, Disable Full Screen Optimizations, is enabled or checked. Okay. So for example, if it's like this, click on it, apply, okay, you can now close this File Explorer window, and you are done. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.